Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely wonderful Monday. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a floral birthday card for an Italian grandma. To create my project, I decided to use paper pad from Vintage Lace Collection from Crafter's Companion, and I decided to use that beautiful purple and turquoise. And using my Doily cutting die, I'm going to create that element and it will make my project even more beautiful. I had to trim the purple panel slightly smaller so it will fit on 6 by 6 inches cut base. And to assemble the purple panel on top, I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, because it is perfect for any paper craft project, because you do have time to maneuver all those elements if you make a mistake. Now, I'm going to place the doily in the bottom right corner, and it is time to die cut the sentiment, and I decided to use Tonic Studios alphabet cutting dies, and as you can see I use gold mirror cut, and I thought that will give my card lots of interest and dimension. And using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, I'm going to assemble all the letters here, and all the names of the products I use in today's video will be in the description down below, so if you're curious, yes, you can check them out. And as you saw here, I actually had two different alphabet sets from Tonic Studio. The uppercase set was with a different font, and actually I really encourage you to have a look at your stash, because if you have any alphabet sets for stamps or cutting dies, you can use different fonts to create amazing sentiments. And this card was actually made for an Italian grandma. I didn't have any sentiments in Italian, but you can actually personalize everything with your cutting dies or stamps. With the doily, I had to trim it slightly so it actually fits in the corner here, because I wanted all the letters to be visible and I didn't want to hide them, because that is the purpose of the card, isn't it? To have all the names and the words visible. And again, I'm using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put all those letters here. As you can see, it is super quick and easy. If you have never ever used alphabet cutting dies or stamps, I really encourage you to do it, because you can create so many beautiful variations and stunning sentiments. Now, to add a little bit more dimension and interest, I decided to use double-sided foam adhesive, and this one actually comes from Hanky Dory. It is very good because it gives you 2 mil, which actually raises the panel significantly, and that's exactly what I wanted to achieve here. And I wondered, do you actually use double-sided foam pads in your card making or paper crafting? Please let me know what do you use it for if you do. As usual, I use my pokey tool to peel off the backing of the tape, and again, using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, I will make sure that everything is adhered properly. Now I decided to use some foam flowers I created a few weeks ago, and I love this color palette. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below. And even if you don't like this color palette, let me know as well. Maybe you would use different colors for a very special birthday card for a grandma. As you can see, I also have some fussy cut leaves here, and I thought that they would be perfect for this project. And I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, to put the leaves on the card, and later on I'm going to use hot glue to assemble the flowers. And my really big tip for you, whenever you create any floral project, add loads of leaves for extra dimension and interest, because that really makes a difference in your project. And I wonder, have you actually seen my video from Saturday when I went to Craftorama? If you haven't seen it, the link is in the top right corner so you can check it out. And also, yesterday I posted Happy Easter video with some pretty unique vintage cards, so please check it out as well. As you can see, I use liquid glue, and Also, hot glue. And whenever you use hot glue, just be very, very careful because it is extremely hot and you don't want to burn your fingers. And our card is nearly done. Sometimes I had to trim the leaves slightly smaller because I wanted them to fit on a card. And yes, you can do it in your projects. Yes, all the leaves are fit here perfectly. And it is time to add a few gold gems because birthday card with no gold gems would not be a birthday card. I wonder, how often do you use gems on your cards? Please let me know in the comments down below. And as usual, I put some gems in the corners to embellish the card. And the card is complete. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you have, please let me know in the comments down below. Like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click that notification bell because every Monday and Thursday I've got videos for you. And also this week I'll have special video on Saturday. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!